So now we'll start creating. We'll create this texture first here, and before that, to texture I would like to see few more images. Here they are. You see here there is a little small plate of aluminum or something, so we have to create that, but we can put it as directly as a texture, so no worries. Same here at the back side, and rest is good. Here we didn't use any a pivot instrument or a tool, which you can say a bolt or something, so might I have to create that, so I'm sorry we forgot that. And so we have to see to it what we can do in that objects. So let's create. So better we create first that objects. How we'll create that object? What if I have only one vertex and I want to create that? Let's do one thing. What if I have only one vertex and I want to create those that object, that cylindrical object? So what I can do, I will shift D and I will say escape and then P, separate selection. Now this is the vertex which I am looking for. Edit, this is here. So let's say I say Control Shift B, then it will not create a bevel. Okay, first thing you understand that. So I need to select that and I'll say E, X. Okay. AX. Great. Then what else we can do? Wait a minute. I need to see what is the angle. There's no angle. Okay. For the top. Okay. Not X. Exactly. So what I will do, first of all, I'll remove the mirror and subdivision surface. So it will be easy to do it. So EX here. Let's push it till here. Again do it. EX till something here, and then EY. You see I got this EY again. Okay, now here what I need an subdivision. So let's say right click, subdivide, got it. So now the reference was, let's say this is the reference and I'm putting this reference here. And what is the reference? A visor and a screw on it. So first we have to create a visor, that is a visor which holds the rotation and it doesn't tighten up the rotation from the bolt or the screw. So for that I need a right click. I'm in the edit. I created a vertex. From that vertex, I extruded all the lines and created a plane and I subdivided it. And now I will be using, I'm still in the editable mode, edit mode, and I will now use it to create a visor. Right click, loop tool, circle. Okay, this is too big, so let's scale it down. So not here because it is in the center pivot of 3D cursor. So we'll do it maiden point and now we'll do it again. So this is the visor point. Okay, bigger. Yeah. So now here, right click again, rich. This is done. See, we got this. Again, I will do first, I'll create an inset, a little inset. Okay, let's go here, grab it this way, Alt Z. Give a solidify with the reverse side, make it 0.005, I guess, and now let it be 0.01, and then even, and now apply. Okay, so here I have this. So what I will do here, select this loop by Shift Alt and these loop by Shift Alt, then Control B and give a bevel like something. Hold the shift and give it smooth bevel. Okay, now this is done. Now I need again this part to be loop or to be selected for the screw thing. So what I will do, what I can do, okay, Shift D, Escape P, selection, separate selection, and I got this different object. Then again edit, select, I set it this way. Now what I need, I don't need this rotating normal screw, the minus screw head. So what I will do, I will make a bolt, the dome type of head it has. So that kind of bolt, it looks much more easier to make it and smoother for in a simple toy object. So this is done. Now let's go with this. Press E. I'm not giving solidify. I'm giving it normally an extrude. Putting this also here. Now what I need, loop it. Okay, let's take this vertex, scale it, take again little budge. Okay, now this edge, Control B, hold Shift and give it a smooth thing. And now see. Now these two has same color, same setup, so that's why we'll give it same texture. So this is done. A good bolt. Let's connect it to this. Okay, I click parent object. Okay, what else we have to see? Yeah, okay, where I have to see this. Okay, so wireframe, select it, right click, parent object. This is going jumping that side. So what I need to do, I need to understand the pivots of it. So control A, rotation, control A, scale, and let's start, right click. Okay, got it. So now it's done. And now what? Now, yeah, I need this base. So these thing and this thing, let's screw it and make a shift D, duplicate P for separate selection. Done. It's done correctly. Now I have to select these. I have to give solidify. I have to see how much solidify I can give. So I have to push it outside and make this very thinner and even, and I'll say apply. Before applying, what I'll do, I'll say glue edit, and let's give supporting edges. So control R here, control R. Okay, now on this. Okay, so here whose side we need done. Now the last here. Now let's get smooth modified. Okay, I guess this is good. Now I need small rivets on these, but I think it doesn't need it. It's okay. Let's say it has been stick there. So maybe I will add it later, but right now it's priority to give that point. So although if you want to, then what you can do, select this, take a vertex again or take a polygon again and shift T, escape P, separate selection, done, select it, make it little square, make it scale down. Okay, and then subdivide it. So right click, subdivided, I guess. Okay, loop. Okay, now solidify should be at the outer side. Okay, so what else? G, or you can say here. So now I will increase the rivet. Done. Okay, now what? I'll just do this, control B. Okay, and let's give the set origin here. Now I will snap these so it will be perfect rivet. So G, and I'm taking it here. So what if I say scale down, and yes, so it is here. Good. Shift D. Let's have a wireframe on so I can get the reference. Shift D, Shift R to repeat one more. Okay, it's too much. So now here, these two, Shift D and snapping to this. Okay, zone that G and snap. Better it should be random. So no issue about it, that it is much fine thing. Then to Shift D. Okay, so here we did this. Let's push this up. Shift D. Okay, got it. Here it is. Right. And now these. Shift D, let's say here. Okay, so this way it is, and at the back I need, so what I will do, I'll select these all and make them place there. Let's select all and we'll do something, don't worry. What we need we will have, what we don't need we will deselect, just like this. We don't need these. You got it. Anything else? Okay, so now Shift D, I'm taking it at the back. Okay, and rotating by 180 degree, and let's have it positioned. So what I will do, and select and just press G and it will go snap. So yes, I have to do manually because I need little randomness, so better this could be. It snaps and aligns. It should align. Now one thing you have to see, it is not aligning. So what now? Align and rotate target. Okay, now see. Okay, is bad. I need to align it according to the, okay, right? So snap it, then we'll rotate it somehow from here to here. But this is much easier than doing all the manual work, isn't it? So here it is. Now let's say, now I need to align those. Okay, so what I can do, I'll check rotate, what it gives. It doesn't give any space or something. So let's shut this off. Okay, and what if I say I'll make the little you say rotation in angle and all, and then push it inside a little bit, so it should look like a nailed effect, not rivet, a nailed effect. Okay, so go for individual and zone 1. Okay, this is fine. So now I need them to be joined. Okay, and here also I need them to be joined so I can texture them at once. Okay, so yes, I need to select them. Let's make it a little faster. We need to texture, we need to start this texture. So we did that, but yes, we have to make up important elements to show, to make it like it's made in handmade. So is this we done? Control J. Then okay, now let's give it a name. I guess I didn't give a name. This will be nails. Okay, this also will be Control J. Let's give it a name again, nails. Okay, and then let's say metal plate. We can put any metal, not necessary aluminum. And this is visor, I guess. I'm not sure about the exact spelling, but it's okay. Bolts. Answer. So now we need to start textures. So in this video we'll finish the texture. Simple texture is not so much realistic, but I'll try to get in touch with the little effect. So for that I need a reference image that this is the wooden texture which I am looking for. So let's say we will create this or anything, this maybe a combination of it. So let's try. So first of all, come here and I'll use this object for a texture, and let's create, say, wood 1. Okay, for a safety that maybe I will use another wood also, so that's why. So now here I'll say noise texture here, Control T. If you have used add-on called Node Wrangler, or if you don't, then search in here for Node Wrangler and it should be on. From where you have to go to edit, preferences, add-on, type the node type the add-on you are searching for. If it is inbuilt and if it is in the list, it will appear here and you can switch on by this, and then if you need, then you can see preferences. And okay, now whatever the node you are selecting, you press Control T, it will create the node connections, or it will connect to the, if you hold a shift control and left click to the node, it will appear it and it will show you the preview. It will connect temporary on the material output. So this is the output which I am looking, but not exactly. I need to work on this. So this is the node. I am taking it object. I am not unwrapping the object. I am not unwrapping the model here. So I need the mapping should be followed or applied according to the object. Whatever the object is, according to that structure, a texture will appear. I need to only control on XYZ mapping and the attributes of the texture. So here I am doing it right now. Control Shift A for new node. I need color ramp. So here we will do the texture, but right now I don't need to do those textures in the render preview. It will get heavy, might get crash. So I am working in material output. Keep saving it. So I need to do those continuously. So now I'm selecting the object, this one, and I will start creating the texture. So let's say I'll pick some colors from here, so it will be very useful. Let's say, let's click, name it wood 01, and I'll give the noise, Control T for this node wrangler here, color ramp for this, and let's have this which direction it goes. Okay, so 0.1, this goes good. Little twist, little big, I guess, and sharpen it, but I need details, I need roughness. So here it is. So let's go with the one, and I guess this is good. This is really good. We made it, so we'll connect it. We'll connect it here also. Shift and Control to do so, and let's give it 0.125, and roughness is okay. We'll figure out. And what else we need? What if I say 2? It's good, I guess. Yeah. So what now? Now I need one more, a slight detail. I don't want to go much much more real. I need appearance real. I'm not working on that so much detail like these and all. But what if I want to do it? I'll go with waves, wave texture here. I'm putting it on. Then I'll take same color ramp by shift D. Then I'm connecting it. I'll preview this. Okay, now in this I need these to be big. I can save this. And then details, and then roughness and distortion. So this goes good. This good. So what if I say 0.25 or I'll say 0.125? Okay, seems nice. And what if I say, yeah, this much? And I need one more. So I'll connect it here and I'll say 0.05. Okay, this is good. Put a distortion, which is fine. Okay, and make it a little thin distortion. Now what I need to mix this, control shift and right click and drag from one node to other. It will create a mix node which shows you exactly what you want. And I can say multiply and clamp it so it will go together. What if I say linear light? It appears good, but it has a little dark tone, so we'll reduce it. We'll change the tone here also. So instead of linear light, go for this. Even you can go for mix. That's much better. So putting this here and mixing it. I need to clamp it and I need to do this 0.5 factor so it will give the correct exact tone. This is the tone which I am looking for. Now let's connect this here and let's see. This is good. Yeah. So now mix RGB again I will use, but I will use this too here. Okay. And in this I will change the color of that wood. So let's pick a wood. Let's give this point a darker. And next point to lighter. See, here it is. So this doesn't go well. So let's come here, pick it. Okay, let's pick it again. Okay, and this one, fine. This looks nice. This looks nice. Let's go with this. Detail is okay. Scale, let's go with the scale. .05. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and make sure these to be perfect with the details, with the scales. Okay, and a little bit of mixing here, and this is fine, perfect. Now I need really darker. Okay, so now I need one more overall control of scale. So vector math and give scale and wait for 0.5. It will give you the bigger size. Go for a 0.25. That's amazing, but I needed 0.5. That seems comfortable. So this is good. Yeah, that's good. Now what I need? Control S. Yes, I need Control S. And then let's preview it. Whoa. See, now what I need, okay, can I see this? Okay, there it is. So Control A, color ramp, pushing it here and giving a little off, going here. Okay. So taking it with a little scratch. This the roughness is a little bit of scratch, a little bit shiny. This smudged shine effect, a little bit, not much, but you can reduce it by lightening this part. That's fine. You can go for further. This seems nice, but I need little specular. So jump in. So it's not giving it. So go it down. Take these also a little down. Okay. Take this one a little more. This goes good. Yeah. If you want to see how it looks, see. Okay. So this is done. Now again, I need one more, a bump map. Connect it to normal. Take these here. Connect this to height, and now this is too much. So go for 0.1 strength and 0.5 for distance, sorry. So this is the output which I am looking for. If you need little noisy effect here, so you need one more noise tool and then connect it, then show it here like this way. Shift D, Control Shift D. Let's go with this. and show this one. So now I don't need any distortion. It's 0. I need roughness. I need this. So I'll go by 5,000, not 5,000. 1,500 is enough, or 1,000 is enough, or something near to 500. Let's go with this. Okay. Now take this 0.005. See how it goes, but it's not enough. So that's why we go, yes. So take it 2,509. This is going good. Keep it on 0, and 0, but 0, 1 is good. Take this little brighter. Okay, now what? Duplicate this node. Now this one will go here and this will go here. You can preview it. Control S, check it here. You can see it's showing the roughness, tiny roughness. You see the small roughness. Okay, so let's preview it. Let's come here. See the tiny noise. Okay, so this is perfect and that's enough. So this is the correct. I can remove this encourage join node and then here. So this is one. Now what happens if I have here different texture? So I'll just select this one. Stay with this. Okay. Control S. Use wood texture and then duplicate it and give it a name 2. Now come back here. Control S. Now let's change the color. Let's make it a little darker. So what dark tone? We'll take this one. Okay, seems perfect. Same as here I want it. So I'll take wood 2. Okay, but here I need a little shine, in both. Okay, this is good. But here I need also one thing, 0.05 and this will be 0.1. Okay, this goes good. Yeah, you can go with 0.005 and this with 0.05. That is also okay. Yeah, I need little less roughness or less that effect, and that's why I've done this. Now I'll use a nominal roughness, so it gives a little smoother, little dark light effect. Okay, and darken it more. This is the correct one. Okay, now this one again, I'll take this wood 1 and do it duplicate 0.3. Control S. Yes, I need Control S. Now see the effect. This is not rotating, so I need different angle. So let's have 1 here and 0.1 here, same as 1 here and 0.05. Yeah. So this is correct. This is perfect. And let's change it to a little lighter. Not that much. Okay, this is good. Nice. And I will also take these pulley, same but randomly. So what I need random pulley colors, which appears a little decorative and little bit innovative. So Control S. I'll create same wood, the dark wood, and I'll say duplicate, and then I'll give 4. Yes, I will take a little same tone it's in this tone. Yeah. And now I need this all to be applied in different manner. So what if I say applying to all? So I'm selecting all pulleys. Okay, and lastly I'm selecting this one and hovering here, Control L. Let's see, apply material. Okay, but it seems very exact same. So what I will do, I will rotate them randomly. Okay, you know that how to do it. It is go to object, to transform, random transform, go to here and give just a random rotation, like check it. So it's going good. Okay, again, not that. 0. Now that 0. So now what? Yes, taking it random. Okay, so here it is the logic and I got the texture. Okay, but this is not so much effective. So what I will do, I'll create one more in this. So what I will create a random effect. For that I need object node, object info, which should go random. Okay, and what happens, I need one more which changes the color. Okay. And now, what if I try this? Okay. Control S again. I'm putting this. Amazing. We got this random wheels and we have done that. But I need little variations. So what I will do, I'll take these going down. Okay, I will take these again and let's mix this. How I will mix this? So I'll disconnect, Control S. I'll take, I'll take this whole copy. Okay, Shift and run this one. Okay, Control Shift D. I am bringing it down. I'm removing this. I'm doing disconnect. I'll take this as a mixture. Okay, and I'm bringing this in between. I'm taking that as a different variety. I'm removing this. Okay, I'm removing this. So now in here, I need this as 0.25. You can say 0.05. Okay, let's push this to 2 and 0.025. Okay, something variations here you can see. You see, so let's change it. Yes, random. And here also I'm taking it 0.25, I guess. What's here? 25. Okay, so I will take this 0.5. So here it is the randomness. Now same way I need this here. So shift select, keep selecting it. Take one active, Control L, apply. You can check it here. So it's okay. Now I need again a random rotation. So I'll just click this and it got the rotation. Previous rotation it took. So it's done. Control S. Now the rope. So these rope I need it and say ropes. Color ramp. And then tip it here. And then this one also. So we got this, but I need this to be darker. Okay, and this to be, so now noise texture, Control T, go to object and connect it. So make it 2.5 and a little detail, a little sharp. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is done. Now we have to apply to these and from this Control L. Okay, applied. Now it's remain only these. So metal, I will say Control or Shift A for new node, color ramp node, and select the metallic. Let's go down and Control S, check it. Okay, so here I need a little bluish greenish type of tone and okay, this is a metal which is not so exactly been shown, but and a little bit of roughness. It's in metal, but now I need a little noise texture. You can say noise, Control T again, object, connect these, and then we can see here. Okay, now and make a little darker. Okay, so here 0.25, a little sharp tones or something. Yeah, and a little darker, a kind of a little tint of aluminum or a metal. So this goes good, but it not gives good thing because it's not so reflective and I don't want it reflective. So this is a metal and give some rough part here and okay, same as here. Now what? Now another metal, Control S, nails and bolts. Okay, same thing. What I'll do, I'll carry this, copy, Control V. Okay, and there. Now what? I need a black tone and a little. Okay, not so much, but it's okay. Okay, you can put it 50 and done. So here I need this to in visor. Okay, so now this doesn't go good. So I'll carry this, copy, coming here, paste. This looks nice. And I need a rough look and a little darker look. By 10 something. Okay. Fine. Same as this one. Yeah, this also. This pulley, I need one. Shroud also will be same. Or let's give it a name, metal thing. This one. Okay. So here it is, my favorite tank. I need to add two more textures. What textures are that? Cracker texture, 2 or 3, I guess, better. So that will do by this way. So let's isolate or hide just this one, and you can see. So first of all, I need a red cover. Okay, let's put direct node here, or else give a color ramp. Then into this, let's put this here. Give noise texture, I guess, of course. Control T to that. Connect it. Let's give the color. Same. Then darken it. And connect it. Okay. Details. And have 100, a little bit of roughness, then no specular. It should be very matte. And in this, let's say Control S again, and let's see. Yes, it goes good, but I need very matte effect, so I'm removing this. And here I did this new slot assigned. Here I will take same red cover, but I'll change it. I'll say a white string, and I don't know what to call, but and change it to something like paper. Okay, and rest this part. Click and okay, assigned. Same white string, I'll say gray fire powder, I guess. Powder. Okay, that should be at the end also. So I have to assign those. So I have to assign, yeah, and I'll make that little darker. This one little darker, I guess. Yeah, unhide all. Control S. Let's check this. Yeah, this is good. Yes, camera. Let's go to shade view. Then let's have here this camera view render. Scroll out and size it down till. Of course, press Ctrl S, save it once, and then end here for this and render. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. And so simply we did this simple stage. I made my dream toy, which I can still play if it's with me. It's not here and with me, but it is restored at my native. So I'm very happy to show it. Okay, thanks again. Thank you. Bye for now. And I'll soon share this in the render in my art and all. Bye for now. Thank you. Keep watching.